This dude over here has been biting his finger off for the last 5 minutes. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in like 2 years. I am now in a plane going to South Korea and we should have left like 10 minutes ago, but apparently there's a delay because like Oman is having a problem. Like ATC shit. I have no idea what ATC is. You should ask my dad. This is where I'm seated. Pretty spacious. I don't even like nuts, but that's okay. A pillow, no one's sitting next to me. So that's great. So this is the menu today. Let's see if I can open it at once. Well, I can. Great. Yeah. Okay, wait. No, I cannot read that. That's Korean. Okay. Okay, looks very good. Oh my god. Chicken. Okay, so we have 1 hour delay because of the Oman problem. We're blaming this on Oman. Just ordered my food. I ordered chicken because like as a what's the English word for it? Breakfast. I ordered a steak sandwich, so she's gonna wake me up. I don't even like being waked up. Woken up, waked up. I need sleep. Okay, so I have absolutely no idea what this thing does. So okay. Fashion firmness. Okay, great. I always use these buttons because if I want to use these, I have to exercise and almost get off my chair, so that's not gonna happen. It's 11:11. We're finally departing Abu Dhabi, and now I have to sit through an 8-hour flight. I just realized I'm sitting backwards. The front of the plane is that way. Day 1, just arrived at the hotel and Produce XXXXX. Produce X101 is on. I just took a shower, put something else on, and we're going out. Myeongdong Street. Let's go. We're now in a restaurant in Myeongdong, and this is gonna be my first meal in Korea.
Lots of menus.
Now we're in Daiso. I know this store from Abu Dhabi, and this one is significantly bigger. Oh my god. But I like the stuff I'm finding here. Hello, Mama. Hello. This Starbucks has 2 floors. This dude over here has been biting his finger off for the last 5 minutes or so, and he hasn't moved, and I'm really confused. Maybe it's normal. And that was my first day in Seoul. I didn't do a lot because we arrived at the hotel at 4. I only went into shops, and now I'm listening to some guy singing, so I'll upload a new video soon with the second day. Bye!